Good afternoon. I wanted to talk about some uses for the Antsle or Edgelinux servers. So I use a terminal program called MobaXterm, and it allows you to run applications on your Linux machines, but have the GUI interface show up on your client. In this case, I'm on Windows, and I've got a machine I use for development here. And as I log in, one of the things it says is it does X forwarding and this display here. Those two settings allow the machine to show the application on your machine. So I've shown this before with NetBeans, but I wanted to show some other uses, such as LibreOffice. So as it loads, the console messages will show up in your terminal window, but the application is already loading in the background. So I have access to LibreOffice on this machine without having to install it on my Windows machine and cluttering up my desktop with unneeded applications. So I can just always log into this machine and do what I need, and then I can make a Word document, a presentation, drawing, or even a database. And that's just one example. In this case, I have a file open called Tech License here, which is for amateur radio licensing. It's a document that I changed from a PDF to a PowerPoint using LibreOffice, and it's quite big, so it'll take a minute to load. While that's loading, I'm also going to open up another session to the same server, and I'm going to run GIMP. GIMP is a similar application to Photoshop, but it's free. Yes. So that GIMP is loaded in the background, we can go ahead and open up images. One thing to remember is that the open command is based on the view of the server, so these folders are on the server, not on the local machine. But this MobaXterm also opens up a secure shell to the machine when you log in. So I can go to the Documents folder, and I can copy something over and work on that file. So in this case, I can take this screenshot and copy it over to my Documents folder, and then I can modify that screenshot from the GIMP application. And then once I have it open, I can save it and manipulate it and make it better. In this case, I'll add a filter. I'll do some, I don't know, let's do a lighting effect. And now I have a new image. I can save that image out. And I've done all that with the processing power of the Antsle instead of the local machine. And you can do that with just about any xWindows application. This machine I'm on is a Ubuntu machine. It works with all other flavors of Linux that I've tried. And if you have a Linux laptop, you can use it as well, just using Secure Shell. To retrieve the image back, I simply go to the mobile terminal and find the image. If it's not there, you can right click and hit refresh, and then you open up a directory on the local system. Make sure you're in a folder, and you can just drag the image over. If you wanted to, you could also set up network sharing between your Linux machines and your Windows machines, and that's not a hard thing to do either, but out of the scope of this video. So that's all I wanted to show. Have a great day.